Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dian Widianto. I'm the author of the paper, and the title of the paper is Comparison Study of Solar Panel with Horizontal Turbine as an Alternative Electric Energy Source. Introduction. The electric demand in Indonesia increased due to population growth and infrastructure development across the nation. This resulted in the state electricity company implementing electric saving program by rotating power outages in several areas. State electric company applies this for reason of efficient use of energy. According to Energy Information Administration 2015, estimates that the use of energy until 225 still use a lot of fossil fuels, namely petroleum, natural gas, and coal. Although coal reservoirs are still abundant, if you continue to use coal fuel, carbon dioxide emission will cause global warming. The extent of the effect of global warming raises public awareness to look for energy resources that do not damage the environment and can be renewed, such as renewable energy. Renewable energy is an energy source that comes from natural. This energy can be renewable, such as water, wind, and sun. Renewable energy is easily applicable anywhere, like in the people's homes. In addition, the use of renewable energy can overcome the high use electricity during testing. Data collection in this study will be carried out for 30 days starting at 80 to 16 with an interval of 1 minute every day. Measure of light intensity is done by using luxmeter plates parallel to the solar panel, while the measure of wind speed is done by using anemometer that is placed parallel to the wind turbine. This is done in order to get accurate data of light intensity and wind speed. Data collection on solar panel is done by measuring electrical current of voltage using anemometer and digital voltmeter. The data obtained is entered into the solar panel data collection table, while tallying data on the wind turbine is done by measuring the wind speed production. The data obtained is then entered into the turbine data. This is solar panel specification, and this wind turbine specification. Discussion. When one measure of electric current of solar panel, the electric current generated by the solar panel is direct current or DC. The result of the data from the electric current were obtained by measuring it with a digital ammeter measure instrument. This measure of electric current is carried out to determine the amount of the power generated by the solar panel. The data from the measure of electric current is seen in figure. Based on figure show the electric current obtained by solar panel at different sunlight intensity. The high intensity of sunlight will produce a light electric current. When the light intensity is less than 16,000 out to determine the amount of the power produced by solar panel. Data received from measure the electric voltage are seen in the figure. Based on figure show the electric voltage obtained by solar panel at different sunlight intensity. The intensity of sunlight will produce electric current. When the light intensity is less than 22,000 lux, a significant difference is seen to the voltage generated. The high light intensity of 28,000 lux on the solar panel produces 50.17 volts. The result electric voltage tends to be constant, ranging from 12.82 volt to 15.17 volt. Point 3. Measuring of electric power in solar panel. The electric power generated by the solar panel is direct current DC electric power. The result of data from electric current are obtained by measuring of a formula. This measuring of electrical power is carried out to determine the amount of the power generated by the solar panel. Data from the measure of electric power is shown in figure. Point 4. Comparison of solar panel with wind turbine based on the research data from solar panel testing. Further research is carried out on solar panel to determine the electric power produced. Meanwhile, wind turbine testing is carried out by measuring wind speed to determine the electrical power produced. Then, for the two test results, a graph of the relationship between time and the electric power is generated as in figure. Based on figure, provide the solar panel generated electrical power that is more effective and optimal when comparison to horizontal wind turbine. The high electric power generated solar panel is 26.42 watt, while the horizontal turbine produce the high electric power of the 6.46 watt. This proves that solar panel production optimal electric power in a long period of time when compared wind turbine. This shows that solar panel more the suitable to be used as alternative energy. Conclusion. Point 1. The high electric power production by solar panel is 26.42 watt, a light intensity of 28,000 lux. Point 2. The high the power generated by the horizontal wind turbine is 6.46 watt. Point 3. The most effective use the alternative renewable energy result in the UNS Campus 5 Fabelan to generate electric by solar panel comparison to turbine with solar panel generated more electric power. Thank you.